Simply Bonnie here. I have a different type of video for you today. It is still makeup related and I think it might help you out. It is a makeup expiration checker to let you know if your makeup is expired or not by reading the codes off the back. And in this video I will be doing a walkthrough, a demonstration to show you how it's done. I will be demonstrating some of the products that are still on Walmart shelves. I had grabbed codes while I was at Walmart the other day, as well as these products here that you see, including the ABH Aurora palette, which is from TJ Maxx, and I figured you guys would want to know and see if that is expired or not. Because I don't know about you guys, but I always wondered if TJ Maxx sold like the old makeup, or if it was just because they were really changing the package and it's not expired or not, and I will show you that. Now the website does have a little disclaimer, and I will list that here where you can pause the screen if you would like to check it out. It is basically saying that this is the info that the site has found. If something seems to be expired, please make your own judgment call or investigate more, and they're not held responsible. If you also want to check the back of the packaging, you'll see a jar with a lid. You'll see a number with an M followed behind. For example, 12M means it's good for 12 months after product is opened. I will put the link right here on the screen, as well as try to put it in my description box. If I can't do it, I'll get TM to do it later. And please hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, as well as the little bell right next to it so you can get notified every time I upload a video. And hit that like button if you like this video, as well as comment down below and let me know if you checked any of your makeup out and seen if it was expired or not. And now to show you the demonstration on how to see if your makeup is expired or not, as well as to see if this TJ Maxx really does have old makeup or is it just packaging. Okay, first we're going to start off with the things I found in the store, and as you can see here, on the left side is the new CoverGirl concealer, and on the right side is the old concealer. And we're going to scroll down and click on CoverGirl, and then we're going to enter the code 7283. And you can see here, October 10th, 2017 is the manufacturer date. 36 months is the shelf life and valid for 28 more months. Now onto the new one, we're going to enter the code 8044. It says the manufacturer date is February 13th, 2018, 36 months shelf life, and it's still valid for 32 more months. Now we're still going to go with what I found in the store, and it's the L'Oreal True Match Foundation. I picked this because it kind of looked a little separated, so I figured this might have an old shelf life. And we're going to enter the code 20P802. And it said manufactured August 2017, shelf life is 36 months, and it's still valid for another 26 months. And as you can see here, yes, it's still valid for another 26 months, but it's already 10 months old. Now we're going to move on to the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. It's the one in the store, which is like the color corrector was 50R30Z. And as you can see here, it's a March 2018, 36-month shelf life, and it's still valid for another 33 months. Now moving on to the one I have, which is this is the actual concealer. It is 50P35Z. And as you can see here, it says March 2017 as the manufacturer date, 36-month shelf life, 21 more months to go. Now we're just going to move on to the things that I have, and we're going to be looking at Stila Glitter and Glow, the liquid eyeshadow, and Kitten Karma, and the number on it is S17A, and it only says 2017. Now it'll be popping up here on the screen in a second. I just wanted to show you that this does have flaws, but it's nice to know that at least they're being honest and not making up numbers. That's the way I feel. And now we're going to be moving on to the e.l.f. Total Face Palette, and on here it does have the full name of eyes, lips, and face. And I added this one because I got this one in a subscription box from Target a couple months back, and the number is 7A07ED. And this one also says just January 2017 as the manufacturer date, but if you do your research and go to e.l.f. and see what their shelf life is, you can do your research there. And now onto the last one, and this one I got at TJ Maxx, and it's the ABH Aurora Glow Kit, and the numbers are J7CA, and it just says the manufacturing is in March 2017, which is pretty good considering I got this in January. So that would make it less than a year old from the manufacturing date. and it's not a little bit over a year old now, so we're pretty good to go on that, and considering it's a powder, it's a go. So yeah, that was the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful to see if your makeup is expired or not. Maybe it will intrigue you to go into the store and check the makeup there. I will leave the website scrolling here as well as the link in the description box. And subscribe if you haven't done so already, as well as clicking that little bell right next to it so you can get notified every time that I upload a video like this or a TJ Maxx video. Hit that like button if you like this type of video and found it helpful, as well as comment it down below and let me know what you think about the whole TJ Maxx not being out of date, and it might just be old packaging after all. Last but not least, you can follow me on all my social media. It'll be listed on my outro. Until next time, guys. Bye.